IT Asset Management, PC Configuration Lifecycle Management. Simple ways to describe the responsibility of managing computer networks and related assets within an organization. But the reality is anything but simple. It's a diverse, ever-changing landscape requiring multiple applications based on platform, device type, security protocols, and user preference. Most companies spend a large chunk of their IT budget attempting to manage the chaos. Solutions are expensive and require significant investment in infrastructure, servers, licenses, and resources. Rollout can take months. And since most solutions available today only work with a single platform, you either invest in additional management tools or live with the pain of manual processes for those devices that don't fit. But what about a solution that reflects your reality? One where PCs and Macs are easily managed from a single interface and data is collected regardless of platform. Welcome to the world of Absolute Manage. Here's how it works. Installing Absolute Manage is fast and easy. Some deployments can even be done within 24 hours. There are 3 components to install: the agent, the server, and the administration console. Agents are installed on each device to collect data. They can be remotely installed throughout your network without end-user interaction. For faster deployment, installation can be automated with the built-in agent deployment utility. The server runs all commands and stores device data and reports. It can be installed on either a Mac or PC. All components are self-contained, so a server operating system is not required. The administration console allows authorized IT personnel to analyze the data collected and manage the devices. It can be installed on multiple machines to support one or many IT administrators. Use Absolute Manage to efficiently deploy software and manage licenses across your network. Distributing software with Absolute Manage is easy, and it supports all file formats. Simply upload your installers as payloads, create a software package, and deploy the payload. Software packages can be made to install silently or to let the end user postpone the installation or install at their convenience. You can also create installation conditions, such as install only if a certain file version exists or does not exist. And with a general installation log report, you can monitor the deployment status, including failed, pending, and successful installations. Tracking software licenses with Absolute Manage is just as easy. Simply create a license specification by entering the purchasing and licensing information. Now, you can easily enforce licenses and avoid over-install penalties by removing the application from each machine that exceeds your legal limit. You can also maximize your software assets by using the Software Usage Report to locate and transfer underused licenses to the people who need them. Other reports will help you find, then delete or disable illegal software. You can even detect and then remotely install missing applications. Meta packages can be used to combine a variety of software applications into a single package. For example, when a new employee is hired, select the applications they will need based on their role in the company. With more than 400 hardware and software information items, Absolute Manage makes it easy to remotely monitor and track virtually every detail of your assets, from computer serial numbers to warranty information to hard disk failures. You can also access useful information about peripherals, such as how much RAM is in each slot or how much power remains on a laptop battery. Gather and organize the exact information you want by editing the user information titles or by creating custom information fields. Then, analyze the information you've collected to remotely manage your assets. Filter and group systems and configurations based on operating system and business function. Assign users their own login account with restrictions and limits that are determined by you. Adjust system configurations, terminate processes, and execute files or scripts. Reboot, log off, shut down, or wake up devices across your platform, all without leaving your desk. Absolute Manage supports the most popular remote control software for optimum productivity. Don't rely on end users to prevent viruses, worms, and other security threats from entering your network. Now, you can centrally manage and install patches, tracking and reporting on the patch status of all managed systems to ensure every device is protected and secure. By running a missing patch report, you can identify which patches are missing. Then decide if you want to go ahead and approve the patch, or just test it out on a few machines first. You can also determine which patches may create operating system instability and ensure they are not installed. Once a patch has been approved, it is downloaded and distributed to your entire user group through the server. This saves bandwidth, eliminating the need to have each device download the patch separately. Patches can be deployed at any time without interrupting people at work. And deployment status can be tracked for compliance reporting. Absolute Manage also helps you stay current, automatically downloading, then deploying all required updates and patches to the appropriate machines. Save countless hours by using a single automated process to install a complete operating system, plus all standard applications. Deploy a disk image to a Mac computer while it's in use, or netboot a Mac computer directly out of the box. With Absolute Manage, you can retain existing user folders, network, and directory access settings. Upon reboot, users will find a new operating system or a clean image of the existing system with no interruption to their productivity. Future changes are also simple to apply, since you can easily edit the disk images you have created. Use the data collected by Absolute Manage as a strategic tool to examine and improve how you manage your IT assets. Remotely gather hundreds of hardware and software data points from your devices. Then display the data using custom views, searches, and reports. This data can be exported into various file formats and integrated into third-party applications such as Microsoft SCCM and Web Help Desk for easy adoption into your existing infrastructure. At many companies, computers are left running around the clock. This means you are paying for energy 24/7, even though the computer may be idle up to 76% of the time. Help conserve global resources and save your company thousands of dollars by creating custom policies based on user behavior and work schedules. Assign power-saving profiles based on connectivity, day, time, or login status, and build in defaults so the most energy-efficient profile is enforced for maximum savings. Then, analyze the data generated by your policy to determine your resource savings and plan for even greater efficiencies. Implementing a power management policy may also make you eligible for government grants or tax savings, further lowering your total cost of ownership. Thanks for taking the time to learn how Absolute Manage can help you manage all your PC and Mac devices from a single interface. To learn more, visit our website at absolute.com.